Patrick had gotten a fresh coat of paint and he didn't want anything ruining it. Yes, yeah. Get away from my paintwork, you weird kid. Hey, don't talk to my son like that. Who do you think you are? I'm Patrick, you old hag, and your son smells like boogers. Hey, you can't talk to my wife that way. What do you think this is? I think it's time for you to lose some weight, fatty. That's what it is. Hey, you can't talk to my grandson like that. Someone should put you in a mental hospital. Someone should put you in a box floating down the river, Grandma. You're probably right.